Hey guys, it's the end of another big week and we've finished another project which we're really proud of. This is a 2022 LC300 GXL LandCruiser. So the base models came with a very average factory infotainment system. The customer wanted wireless Apple CarPlay and obviously to integrate caravan camera and things like that. But what we've done is we've sourced some genuine panels from Japan. We're using our TO3 T-harness in conjunction with an RR2 1024 module. It's not compatible with the RR, but that will give us full features retained. We have climate displayed, which was not there on the factory radio, so we can see all that displayed, and we also get the widgets when on other screens, which is pretty cool as well. Most importantly in this vehicle, and like a lot of other vehicles, it's going to come down to being able to retain the factory vehicle settings. So this will go away, do a little scan of the vehicle and come back with our park assist options and vehicle customization, etc. So all those features are retained. Obviously we retain steering wheel controls. We go into the reverse camera and we've got all the factory camera there retained, and we've added there a camera for the customer's caravan that he can integrate into the vehicle as well. So this will be available very soon. We're just waiting on our panels to arrive, but this is another solution for iDatalink Maestro and for your customers.